This is Konkan. Konkan, a western coastal region of Maharashtra state in India, has been mentioned as Aparant in the Mahabharata and called as the land of Abhirs or shepherds by some Arab tourists and traders. Even some Arab traders call it the land of Sagwan, Konkan, Kunkan, and Kumkum. Konkan region is spread with beautiful valleys and breathtaking views of mountains, valleys, and passes. Awesome valleys and human settlements perched in mountain are all sights to watch. Not lacking in natural resources, Konkan consists of tall peaks of Sahyadri Range on the eastern side and vast Arabian Sea on the western side, both reciting the greatness of the one who created them. Different lakes, reservoirs, waterfalls, meadows, valleys, springs of hot water, ancient caves, and thick sagwan forests enhance the beauty of this patch of region. There are several new and old seaports here. Also, forts by the seaside and on high mountains add finishing touches to this place of land. Plantation of coconut, betel nuts, mangoes, cashew nuts, kokum, and jackfruit adore this coastal strip of India. In the fields here, paddy, nachni, bari, paute, and turi are cultivated. Most of the people are farmers or fishermen by profession. In the ancient period, the region from southern part of Surat district to Gujarat to the northern part of Karwar district in Karnataka was known as Konkan. According to Raigad district gazetteer, the history of Konkan is quite old. The stone tools found on the Butcher Island near Gharapuri, that means Elephanta, traces back the existence of humans to about 1.5 million years. The western coastal strip of Maharashtra is the present Konkan. In the north, the Daman-Ganga river, and in the south, Terekhol Creek separates it from Gujarat and Goa states respectively. The length and breadth of Konkan. It is around 720 kilometers in length. At some places, it is as narrow as 40 kilometers, while at some it is about 80 kilometers wide. It covers a total area of 30,728 square kilometers. There are 5 districts as well as 47 talukas or subunits of districts: Thane, Mumbai, Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg. As it appears in Hindu scripture Vayu Puran, there was a ruler known Parshuram who ruled over Konkan coastal region. His mother's name was Kunkana. Hence, the name Konkan is believed to be in this context. Some scholars believe that the name may have come from Malayalam language, in which Kang means region and Kankangal means hilly terrain, or also Konku in Malayalam means a hilly region that is near seashore. The Greek geographer Ptolemy, in the year 150 AD, in one of his books, had divided Konkan into two geographical sections. He had called Gujarat and northern part of Konkan as Larika or Lardes. The other part had been mentioned as Arika. One eminent Muslim historian, Qasim Farishta, called it Talghat and Khafi Khan called it Talkokan. Later on, it was called Northern Konkan and Southern Konkan. During the reign of Samrat Ashoka, Konkan was known as Aparanta. It had its place in the epic of Mahabharata and was also called Aparanta. Further, the area between Tapi river and Vasai was also known as Barbara or Maratha. The place between Vasai, that means basin, and Bankot called as Virat, and the region between Bankot and Devgarh was known as Kirat. This region found references in various books since 1000 BC. Different accounts written by many European scholars like Pliny, Ptolemy, Strabo have proved that the Egyptian, Arabs, Persians, and Greeks had trade links with different seaports of Konkan like Thane, Sopara, Kalyan, Dahanu, Revadanda, Chol, Mandad, Masla, Pale, Antore, Mahad, Goregaon, and Rajpuri. In addition, we find description of Konkan in Mahabharata, Harivansh, Vishnu Puran, Raj Tirangini, and rock inscription of Chalukya period. Over and above, in the Pali language, the books like Deepavans and Mahavans of 5th and 6th centuries, also there are many references to Konkan. Raghuvansh, written by Kalidas, also mentions Konkan. On top of it, Hyunsang, Suleiman Tajir, Ibn Khardazia, Bilazari Ahmad bin Yahya, Abul Hasan Ali ibn Hussein al-Mas'udi, Abu Rehan al-Bairuni, Idrisi, Ibn Battuta, the historian Rashiduddin Fazlullah, and the Russian traveler Nikitin also have written about Konkan. Books written by many Arabs give valuable information about shipbuilding and scientific knowledge of navigation during that period. They also throw light on Indo-Arab relations, trade in Konkan, economy, types of seaports in Konkan, political development, and their culture and civilization. Several Persian and Greek books also holds account of Konkan.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
अब्दुल्ला गंगरेकर साहब
जी, मोरबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट रायगढ़ तालुका मानगांव सिर्फ 160-70 किलोमीटर बॉम्बे से हूँ, कोकण मध्ये.
तुमच्या खानदानचा पहिला माणूस आफ्रिकातला कवा आणि कैसा आला?
माझा दादा आलं होतं, उमर साहेब गंगरेकर. 1894 ला आलं होतं. ते बहुतेक 2 वर्ष राहिलं केपटाऊनला आणि वापस मुळात येलं.
ऐसा
जी. माझा दादाच आलं होतं, उमर साहेब गंगरेकर 1894 ला आलं होतं. सिर्फ 2 वर्ष केपटाऊनला होतं आणि वापस गेलं मोरब्याला. माझं वालिद आलं होतं 1910 ला 9th of May आणि हजर राहिलं 9 वर्ष राहिलं. 10 वर्षाच्या बाद ते मुळात गेलं, शादी केली आणि त्याच्या बाद 3 वर्ष रेऊन जाऊन गेलो होतं मोरब्याला. बट 1940 ला त्यांनी माझा माल आणली आणि माझं पैदाइश 1943 ऑक्टोबर महिन्यात झाली. जी.
अच्छा. ही जी बिझनेस चालवता हो तुम्ही, ही बिझनेस तुम्हाला तुमच्या बाबाच्या तरफची मिळला की तुम्ही सुरुवात केल्या?
नाही नाही, त्यांनी सुरू केली,
जी.
त्यांनी मेहनत केली, आपण त्याचा फळ खातो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
हातर कॅप्टनमध्ये आफ्रिकामध्ये तुम्ही खंच्या सोशल ॲक्टिव्हिटीजला जुळलेला आहात?
खैर मी पहिले आपला मस्जिद कुछ है
जी.
गेट्सवेलला केपटाऊनला
जी.
मी एक ट्रस्टी आहे, पण एक 30 वर्ष आहे त्यावर. ख्रिस्की हॉस्पिटल आहे, फेमस हॉस्पिटल अख्खा दुनियामध्ये आहे. केपटाऊनला त्यांचा हॉस्पिटल आहे, मी त्या टीचिंग बोर्डवर आहे मी.
खंचा हॉस्पिटल बोलल्या?
ख्रिस्की हॉस्पिटल
अच्छा.
जी मोस्ट फेमस हॉस्पिटल है.
जी.
फिर त्याच्या बाद मी ट्रेजर आहे मोरबा सोसायटी सोशल सोसायटीचा.
जी.
सिर्फ मग दुसरा हात सोसायटी मी मेंबर आहे. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, पहले अल्लाहची मेहरबानी है,
बेशक, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
त्यांची दुआ है,
हाँ.
मेरे माँ बाप की दुआ है
जी.
उसमें, और मेरी बीवी की मेहनत है उसमें. अभी 4-5 वर्षाचा मंगती माझा बरखुदार आयला यातनं.
जी.
आणि त्यातनं बहुतेक मी एक काय बोलतात आपल्या फखरची बात आहे की माझ्या कंपनीमध्ये 5 B.Com आहेत.
माशाअल्लाह.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आणि
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
बहुतेक सगळी आपल्या इंडियन ऑरिजिन आहेत.
ऐसा?
जी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
अच्छा.
आता तुम्ही एक सवाल करता माझ्यावरती. माझा काय माय impression in life is to be honest, and you must be life is not of an easy type, is a challenge, and आपल्याला मेहनत करायला पाहिजे, and मेहनत केल्यावर बाद आपला ते फळ जरूर येईल,
Of course.
and we must have patience. Thank you. This film will show our children, माझी लेकरा की सगळी लेकरा त्यांचा आई बाप मुखातनं आलं, कोकणचे आलं, that will give them an impression that how Konkan looks, and to show them where their forefathers come from, and it will be give them the love to go back and see काय बोलतात आपला वतन काय होता. That is the origin of our forefathers. आणि इंसान आपण विसरू शकत नाही. आपला आई बापा त्यातनं मुखातनं आलं केपटाऊनला, त्यांचा रिश्तेदार, त्यांचा आई, त्यांचा बाप सोडून हात केपटाऊनला आलं कामत चालली. आणि अल्लाह तालाने त्यांना मुबारक केले, काम केले, आणि त्यातून आपलं सगळे औलादीला त्यांनी बघले. तुम्ही आता मला सवाल केले होते. यू हॅव मेड अ क्वेश्चन टू
Yeah.
that why I am busy with this filming of the Konkan.
जी.
My wish was that I would like to travel to Konkan,
Yeah.
the district Thana, Raigad, Ratnagiri or Sinugar.
सिंधुदुर्ग.
Yeah. But me dal khepala zata mukhatlan, and I can't stay more than 7 days. And then I decided to do a film of the Konkan, so that our children, our grandchildren in South Africa and India, in the Konkan area, can see this film. It is, I know that, and I'm aware of it, but different people have spoken to me that this Konkan, it is a country of scenery and different type of culture, आणि आपल्याला खबर आहे आता केपटाऊनला काय बहुतेक सगळे गावांची हात राहिलेत केपटाऊनला but each one has a different of tradition. त्यांचा बाटीत अलग है त्यांचा खाणं शिजवलं ते अलग है समजलं but it's important it is interesting to look at it तर मी काय why I'm very eager about this it is that सकाळ आपली लेकरा another 20 years or 30 years time they will look at it they will say no fine this is a good film let me go and see our forefathers places where they come from and India's apli lekra they mustn't forget their family in India and they mustn't forget about the coconut they come from